Hello and welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common challenge faced by many students, struggling to retain information for exams. It's frustrating when you put in hours of study time but struggle to recall the crucial details when it matters most. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll dive into the reasons behind this issue and explore effective strategies to help you retain information more effectively. So, let's get started. Part 1: Identifying the problem. One of the main reasons students struggle to retain information for exams is the lack of effective study techniques. Simply reading and highlighting text might not be enough. Our brains need active engagement and repetition to create strong memory connections. When we don't employ these techniques, information tends to slip away quickly. Additionally, stress and anxiety can hinder our ability to retain information. When we're overwhelmed, our brain's ability to encode and retrieve memories can be affected. So, it's essential to address these factors as well. Part 2: Understanding the why. To tackle this problem, let's dig deeper into why we struggle to retain information. Our brain's memory processes involve three stages: encoding, storage, and retrieval. During the encoding stage, it's crucial to actively engage with the material. Instead of passively reading, try techniques like summarizing, self-quizzing, or teaching the concepts to someone else. These activities enhance understanding and strengthen memory connections. Next, storage is influenced by repetition and practice. Spacing out your study sessions, revisiting the material over time, and practicing retrieval through quizzes or flashcards can improve long-term retention. Finally, during the retrieval stage, it's essential to simulate exam conditions. By practicing under similar circumstances, you'll train your brain to recall information more effectively when it matters most. Part 3: Taking action. Now that we understand the problem and its underlying causes, let's explore actionable steps to overcome this challenge. First, adopt active learning strategies. Summarize key concepts in your own words, create flashcards, or join study groups to engage with the material actively. Next, leverage technology and online resources. There are numerous apps and websites available that offer interactive study tools, practice quizzes, and even virtual flashcards to enhance your learning experience. Finally, establish a structured study routine. Break your study sessions into manageable chunks, use the Pomodoro technique to maintain focus, and prioritize regular review sessions to reinforce your memory. Remember, everyone's learning style is unique, so experiment with different techniques and find what works best for you. Be patient with yourself and stay consistent in your efforts. That wraps up our discussion on how to overcome the struggle of retaining information for exams. By adopting effective study techniques, understanding the memory process, and taking consistent action, you'll be well on your way to improving your retention and achieving better results in your exams. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your studies.